So what we're going to do here is drill some holes for shelf pins. We're doing a 1/4-inch spoon style shelf pins today. Made ourselves a little jig. Evenly spaced holes, drilled it out on the drill press. Makes for an easy little template to go ahead and pop some holes in. It'll sit there just flush with the face frame. We got our 1/4-inch bit set up with a stop depth, just using a little piece of wood. And show you how it's done right here. So now that I did a little round over on the inside of here, we're going to sand these down. Get them looking real pretty. Maybe. Okay. Looking good, dude. Kevin's going to trace out the top. I'm tracing out the top.